Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today, we're starting a new tutorial. How to connect wireless internet to Vizio Smart TV. Using your remote control, press the settings button. With your remote, scroll through the menu using the arrows and select Network, then press OK. Use your remote to choose your Wi-Fi network and press OK after the scan finishes. With your remote, enter the password using the on-screen keyboard and press OK for each character. Use your remote to switch between uppercase and lowercase letters if needed. Use your remote to select special characters like @ or symbols when required. Once done, use your remote to select Connect and press OK. If connected, a Wi-Fi icon will appear. If not, use your remote to retry or test the connection. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.